Oh. He caught it.
Triple Play 5K. Proceeds funding New Health's research on brain health and mental wellness.
What I do now? Oh. The fuck? Buzzo. Let me see the lighter. Damn. Oh. Keys. A truck. A Hellcat truck. Where are we?
Looks like Mexico Beach.
Mexico Beach. Mexico Beach. Mexico Beach Police. Looks pretty good, shooter. Looks pretty good here, shooter. Green light, you hear me? Them boys nuts the butt. Check them out. Let them hit that thing. Life finna change though. Oh, he put me right in the middle. Damn. Come on, Buzzo. Come on. You gonna run that back? You gonna run that clip back to see what the fuck was that? Come on. There you go. There he go. There he goes. No, he just stopped me. You on the YouTube right now. Yeah, you on YouTube right now.
Oh.
Say what's up to the YouTube.
I'm not trying to be on YouTube.
Put my number in your phone. Let me see.
Here, where y'all from?
Here?
Here?
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna text you.
What's your name?
Devin.
Devin? Nice to meet you.
All right. We got the other wide body behind us, like a car behind us, you know? We got like a car behind us, you know? That's how you do that there. You know they got cameras, so it's time to go. It's time to go, man. Big trucks, man. Yeah, man. Got a wide body right here to the coming up. I know some track hawk. Track hawk right there.
Planet,
that motor. Still get beat by this V8. Oh, check them out. They over there.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell her about herself. God damn, mommy got a little donkey on her.
I look like being a hater. I made it happen for him. My little nigga started touching paper. I was happy for him. I was in the cell thinking I was coming home to you.
Oh, check him out.
Papa Willie.
I don't know how to.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Whoa. Stop now. This nigga wild. You wildin'. Hey, we rollin'. POV. What the? And oh, 9 behind him. 9 behind you. 9 behind you. No. He calling. Yo. You let me know what? Oh no, he put on the side of you. Oh. And you no. Oh, he let you go. Real plastic. Real plastic. What he said to you? Hey, bust a left though. I ain't gonna lie. Alright.
I heard a nigga got the drop to my mama, how I go bitch you late. Cause she been moved, big high, swimming pool with a lake. I'm on a private jet, just me and Bae. We having